Indaba.
Ngidingiwe ikhanda lami libuhlungu ngisho.
Kathona uhlala udiniwe phela every time. Kathi manje
Ngikhathele.
Manje uba umfazi wakho kuba.
Anjye akwazi ukuthi mina ngiyasebenza mina. So ngikhathele.
So mawusebenza indaba ungahlala ngikini wasebenza wangayi.
Wena wangithathelani? Antu wangithathela ukuthi uzonakekela. So ngidiniwe ngiyagula.
So indlela yokunakanela nale. Yo.
Ngoyekela ukunamathela nje super glue. Awusingcoza wena.
Hayi la uyathanda ukukhuluma. Umfazi onjani? Ngoba sengesikhathi sigcina sesivula ngaphandle. Ngenxa yokuthi yasinqitsheza endlini. Why lisinqithe?
Angikunqitsha anti ngikuphile nhlala ngikunika ngidiniwe ikhanda lami libuhlungu iqolo la everything yazi umzimba wami ubuhlungu shame.
Khangela ngapha phela xa umzimba wakho ubuhlungu.
Hayi. Indaba amadoda enhlupha so. Hayi.
Udinga lo mamncane ola problem.
Suka.
Ya. Uzabona so.
Hello? All right. I'll send you the same. Africa. Bueno, pues son por favor, no que la sepa.
Babela. Angifuni.
Yaba ngithi ngithethe umfazi
I don't want indoda yami. Ngoba wena indoda enjengami.
Awula problem la udinga umfazi.
Angilandaba.
Umfazi.
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 Kwanga bona ngibona decoration.
Ngitele lo. Awumphekeli, akulanto yenzayo bedroom yahluleka. So umfazi onjani? Ngidinga umfazi.
Ngumfazi.
Awuphekeli, awungitsheli. Akulanto yenzayo.
Angibathatha ngindazo. Wathi suka.
Yaba ngithi lo mfazi indoda le. Ngamdingela umamncane, ngeke ngithathe umaid nalo. La umfazi lo. Ngiyowatshela ngiyomphekela.
Hello.
Sure.
Right. Eliseni lahlekile la. Buza uLady hlala ngapha.
Oh, Lady D. Useso isidudla so.
Yeah.
Oh, uhlala lapha la. Lady le uphume khona umuntu. Lapha. Uphume khona usisi lapho lapha.
Ekhethe
lenyama.
Oh,
Yeah.
lona lelo.
Lona next year.
Okay, yabo.
Sharp. Wait, kale yakufanisa so mimo.
Yeah, mimi.
Mimi.
Ngizela.
Awuzamboni mimi. Sakukhumbula uzona safunda sonke kele kudala le.
Esikole kudala.
Exactly. Singaka. Skipper sorry.
Hey.
Usongaka.
Singaka.
Usuhlala ngaphi?
Hey, long story. Sokutshela sesihlezi phansi. Somphezela kule DD.
Wathi ngichekise. Sami ngichekise.
Hey.
Ah, makhula yo. So awusho uhambi nje usumuthi yakho.
Hey, yazi impilo yalezi nsuku.
Mntwana.
Uyabona uba ngibhiya. Hey,
Utsho uzothi undidakise wena namuhla.
khuleka wena.
Kuyilapha?
Khuleka, shila pha.
Safe asingeni right.
Lipo tohlala khona le.
Khona.
Khona? Khona abasili khona.
Khona. Hey madoda. Eish. Yeah. Kanti ukhona sisi.
Kale. My friend! How are you? Long time. Get you. Oh, girl, I'm shy you 10 bandla. Look at you, girl. Hear me. Out there. Africa.
Yes, ma.
What is this stupid girl?
Yes, ma. Ma.
Never mind. Please offer something to my friend.
Okay, we have juice, we have a cow,
Cheese.
ciders.
Hello. Attitude and again. My friend, who went better? Oh, this one is this stupid, useless maid of mine. Hey. And then, what's definitely chingam ngacha washa? I'm wrong with my friend Uti. Mate.
Madam, we have water, we have ciders, we have juice, we have milk. So what would you like to take?
Water.
Oh, water. Just that. Okay. Should I
Jeez.
show you? What about you, gentlemen?
Oh, umphathela babonza uphela lo. Uma wantholela at least.
Okay. Over there shortly. Okay.
Don't break my door, please. Vele mngane ngumate. Mate, poma kama mate waswatholile wokuthol mate. Mngane, why right man? She was like
ngathi after something ngane. Hayi.
after what
Hayi
exactly?
mngane, umate. Kuba bonke.
Yeah.
Hayi ngitsho. Ngane. Ngabona mngane vele hayi.
Plazi ukunamalanga unama attitude lo get.
Uzothatha ngapha uzoswela nje ama attitude mngane ngawo nje.
That's what's wrong with me.
Mngane.
Mngane, I'm married. I'm married. Yabona baba,
Easy,
singibheke kaso.
Mr. Young.
Africa, where's the tray?
Ma, I thought it was just
But just get out of my sight. Imbes. Useless. Aha. Unganini?
inkombi jobane le.
Yeah, yazi lo nkazana uzongihlanyisa man.
Ngane. Hayi abomedi la khetha.
Shela madam nami umphathela utshwala kungayisibo phela lo muntu lo. Mina ngithe ngifuna i-RK inde isavana manje. Madam lapha ula maid la.
Africa, let's Hey, you girl, don't make me mad. Don't use this sound I'm paying me. Yinde. Don't you dare when I'm talking to you, don't you dare do like that. Hello, little girl, I'm talking to you. Please, he said he wants a Heineken. What's this?
Oh, I'm sorry, handsome. It slipped my mind.
Is he a handsome?
But yena muhle kodwa.
Hey, hold it right there. Hey, little girl, come back. What's this? Queen look. It dirty queen look. In there.
Ma, you know this.
Can't you wash some place properly? I'm going to get some gun.
But ma, I will
Hey, don't you talk while I'm talking. I'm the boss and you're my servant. Listen to me. I need a house, I need your home. Says one. Watch this cup that that's what I'm paying you for. You are just a maid. Get it into your skull. Damn it. Just get out of my sight. Go on, Chinese. Let's see where we live. As let's see where we live. Hey, unondindwa lo. You're my friend. I thought I just found someone.
You thought Ngane.
It's moment.
Now.
Bena ngathini la uyenzanga depend
qalile.
awusenzele
Kwakwenziwe
kahle.
sitsho into zayihambisa ngine nale.
Lo mahosha lo.
Ayihluleka.
Go. Danko. Yes. Wow.
Get out of here.
Oh, mete moja. Oh, sorry. Mina sengikamba. Sengithola kwami sengisabanzi.
Ngani uthethe lo.
Ngani safunda sonke mngani.
This hypocrite.
Mngani bese ngilahlekile phela mangani bengasakwazi ukuthi ngiyena.
Hawu
Uyambuze kuye phela mngani.
There are phones, my friend. My phones, darling.
Phones mngani ngazolela siphume kuma phones siphume lapho
Okay,
mngani.
darling.
And then zithini ngawo?
Yini? What's wrong?
Isigqoko mngani isigqoko bani zona lezi. Sukuma sibone.
Kani, it's me.
What's wrong here mngani?
Kani, what does onyenze so? Like
Impahla zonke wakhetha long dress like long dress.
I'm married, but it just has the fresh.
But mngani nonjela wathi wena uyendele isigwili sendoda.
Yeah, marune culture phela. He is cultural. Kodwa mngani.
Mngani
This marriage is draining me.
mngani i-life ivele oswayikhethayo le.
What can I do? Ngingayenzani? You know, but I still do my job, you know.
Still your job. Lezigqoko ezichakho nela ngazi kumbe komnye angazi ukuthi kunga la izichakho
Like
ezigqoza.
ngani.
Ngana iyabhowa. Kuyikhona kulama amaduku.
Yo nyenze, ni married.
Ngane kade safuna i-life esiphilayo mngani.
Yeah.
Iphila kanjani lezigqoko zakho zona lezi? Vele uzithenga ngakahle.
Yo uyangithengela ubaba. Uyangithengela nje.
Yangithengela ibaba. Uyayazi impilo yethu thina vele umsebenzi awusivumeli ukuthi sibe labantwana khathesi. Vele le style sakho asivumeli mngani. Awusivumeli.
Kodwa mngani,
Mngani.
kodwa sho nyenze.
Kodwa sure mngani. I-style mngani. Yabona ngizama ukuthini? Hey,
Style mngani. Long. Kodwa mngani,
ngicomkhangele mngani. Ngikhangele.
Kasuze
Mngani. Vumani. Wawukhetha umsebenzi wawukhetha mngani. Antona wawukhetha mngani.
Ngikhetha mngani, and I'm thinking of having a baby. Yazi, this is draining me. Even though yazi akangifuthisi.
Yela. Vuka emaqandeni. Angazi uyavuka ama uyabekela vuka emaqandeni. Sis, ukhiphe lezi zinto zakho lezi. Khiphe lezi zinto zakho zokubonisa style mngani sukuma sakho.
My friend. Africa! That's who can one casa.
Amateur. Let's go. Achila. Bantu balino bayangimangala. Uma ngifika kibo bashaya izandla bathi kamphelelisanga. Abantu balino bayangimangala. Uma ngifika kibo bashaya izandla bathi sakhamuzi olinda bona.
Wamfowethu kukanye uDlamini lapha uDlamini